The city put the eviction notices on the tents yesterday. As a result of that, the process begins. If my clients do not vacate the area by 6 o'clock tonight, and the clock is ticking, as we hear now, the clock is ticking, then it seems that the city will be in court on Friday to start the process. Then on Wednesday, there'll be a process in the court where we all arrive for a case management hearing. It's difficult to see at the moment exactly how the city are going to respond, because in the past, the legal analysis of the city and the cathedrals has been wrong. You'll remember, for instance, there were great play being made about my clients' health and safety breaches, and my clients made it very clear there were no health and safety breaches, and that's been held to be absolutely correct. And one of the things that is interesting is that there's no health and safety allegations in the proceedings. So my clients would say the city and the past the cathedral haven't covered themselves with glory as far as accurate legal advice is concerned. But we'll see how things progress. We anticipate there'll be an issue in relation to property ownership, the human rights issues, and also a general close analysis as to whether what is being done here on behalf of the city is legal. We're very reactive to the situation. We will respond to what they do, and as their legal team, myself and Karen Todner of Kaim Todner Solicitors are ready to go when they are. I've seen the eviction notice and I've got a few views on it, but I'm not going to say them now. I'll leave that till court. Karen Todner, who is next to me, and I are the legal team effectively, or heading up the legal team I should say, for what we refer to as the clients. And we should say we're doing it entirely pro bono, for no charge. We've been involved in giving advice, not just, for instance, on the forthcoming court case, which seems, as the clock's near striking 6 o'clock, to be inevitable, but advising also on health and safety issues, ensuring that we all comply with the law, not only with health and safety, but with other matters as well, and making sure that the respect and responsibility that you've all shown continues in the interests of your case. So I want to hand over to Karen, obviously, who's going to be one of the driving forces behind what's going to happen in the next few days, and she and I will be working closely together to make sure that the interests of our clients are fearlessly defended.
Well, as you know, the corporation served notices last night, and eviction proceedings are very likely to start tomorrow morning. There'll be, I anticipate, a High Court hearing probably next Wednesday, which will be a case management meeting and a hearing before the High Court when we will decide time scales, delivery of papers, etc. So it won't be a full hearing, I doubt, next week. In fact, I think a full hearing will be some time off yet.